Hello, I'm Eddie the Eagle.
And this summer, I'll be in Austria. I'll be asked to complete 4 different challenges in 4 different regions.
This experience has given me a whole new perspective of Austria. I'm here in Salzburg, the city in Austria famous for its musical influence, from Mozart to the Sound of Music. Aside from being listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Salzburg has a rich and illustrious musical tradition.
So I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in store for me here.
Hi Eddie, good to see you. Welcome to Salzburg.
Thank you.
Currently standing outside the birthplace of Mozart.
I knew him once.
Right, it is time for your challenge. Today you will learn to sing and busk on the streets of Salzburg. But Eddie, I've actually promised the camera crew some beers for tonight, so...
No pressure there then.
I'm hoping your busking is going to pull us through, yeah?
Thank you.
Good luck. See you at the bar.
Thank you.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
And you, that was beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I heard you have a problem.
Yes, I'm under a bit of a pressure. Got to earn some money, buy some drinks.
I'm going to help you.
Oh, thank you.
You know what? Before you start to sing, we have to warm up.
Right, okay.
First we do like a horse. Good. Bit more, and then with music. Good. If you want to earn some money, with music in Salzburg, you have to sing opera.
I've never sung opera.
Let's do it. You know Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart? The magic flute?
No.
Papageno?
No.
Der Vogelfänger bin ich ja stets lustig heiße.
I can't.
Try it.
Guys, are you having a laugh? I can't sing that.
Try Edelweiss. Edelweiss.
Edelweiss.
Edelweiss is a good idea. You know it?
I know a little bit of Edelweiss.
Edelweiss.
Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever.
Fantastic! You're ready.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. Guys, I need something to put money in.
Yeah, here's a hat.
Oh, thank you. Right. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, clean and bright. Every morning you greet me, small and white. Clean, thank you. Clean and bright. You look happy to meet me. Thank you, June. Thank you, June.
Very good.
Bye. Bye. I've got a bit of money.
You don't have to buy us any beers.
No, but where can I go where there's more people?
How about the Mirabelle Garden?
Mirabelle Garden. Cool. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You are happy to meet me, blossom and snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you for joining in.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
You're not bad, eh?
Haven't made much money though.
Well, what have you got?
€5-ish.
5 you? It's not going to buy much, is it?
One beer and 6 straws. Better than nothing.
That's all we got.
How you doing?
Hi.
Mate, how's busking today?
That was great.
Mate, that's not great. There's hardly anything there.
I've got a plan.
You're supposed to get a round of beers in.
I think I've got it sorted. Leave it with me.
Well, you better pull something out of the hat, all right?
Back in a minute.
Constitution to always play Mozart.
No, there's a Mozart week around his birthday in January.
There we go, Macca.
Ah.
One beer. And lots of straws.
You promised us beers.
Mate, that's beer. Yeah, there's straws.
Well, anyway,
it's a round of beer. Tuck in, guys. Get a straw. Get a straw.